Hi, I am Bikram Pal. I am a 22-year-old passionate self-learner who loves to make and build things. And to upgrade my creativity, I just bought my first 3D printer. And today, in this video, we are going to unbox it and also share you the story of buying this printer. Truly speaking, guys, I am also a bit nervous, but also excited. So without wasting any time, let's just unbox it. So, as you guys see the full unboxing, I think you will like it. At the time of unboxing, I have got a very cool thing, which I will reveal at the end of this video. So, guys, wait till the end of this video. Now, before printing out, I want to say, when you first power up your printer, it will take some time to set up, and then you can connect it with your Bambu Handy app in mobile to set up with your Wi-Fi. After connecting your printer to network, it can ask you to upgrade the firmware of the printer. As it asked me, just press OK and wait till upgrading. Then it will also self-test by itself. So when testing, it can make some weird noise. But don't worry guys, it's just the sound of the motors and the fans. Now that time comes when I am going to print out my first 3D benchy. Those who guys not know what it is, it's just a small board. And you can see here guys, it is a SD card inserted in our printer, which also comes with some preloaded 3D files. And now we will navigate to our benchy. So you can see here many more 3D files just like the scraper, benchy, outer diameter and all the many things which are already preloaded. So we just click on the benchy and click on print. Wow guys, it started printing. I can't explain you guys how happy I am today. So while it prints, I want to just talk about how I buy this awesome 3D printer. After researching on internet and seeing many videos, I decided to buy Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer. Now in India, where to buy it? In official Bambu Lab website, there are 5 to 6 companies listed which sell this product in India. I call each and every company's customer care, but none of them talk to me well. See, we are Indians, and as you know, we can't blindly trust and pay this huge amount. Then, going on researching, I have found Ideal 3D. When I call them, they talk with me very gently and nicely. Ask them how to trust them. They say, no worries. They sent me their socks video and sent all of their 3D creations pictures and also give me tour of their shop via video call. At last, after all the trust they built, I decided to make a payment and buy my printer. They assure me that they will send me the tracking ID at that particular day. After 4 to 5 hours of my ordering, they send me the tracking ID of DTDC courier service, and within 5 days, the printer is at my home. So guys, if you want to buy any 3D printer or resin printers, no doubt you can trust them and buy from them. So now let's see how much our benchy is printed. Guys, you can see it is printing. Let's wait till the end to see the outcome. In upcoming days, I am going to print more exciting things and share my creations with you all like this. And now the time to reveal the thing which I got while unboxing. I got a Bambu Lab piano kit. Just I have to print some files, attach with it, and our piano will be ready, which we will see in another time. Guys, thank you to wait till the end, and I hope you all guys like it. Just let me know in the comments, and if any one of you have any confusions, just let me know and I will try my best to help you out. So guys, see you soon in the next video with some awesome creations. Thank you guys.